Hey, welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to have the assistance of my daughter. She's going to be my camera person. So without further ado. Alright, so today, like I mentioned in yesterday's video, or Sunday's video, today I am going to be putting down my first fertilizer application. Emma, you got to keep that still.
I'm trying.
Today I'm going to be applying my first application of fertilizer for the year, and I am using Flagship. Alright, so here's a couple of hot points about it real quick. Flagship has nitrogen and potassium to stimulate and support a healthy lawn growth and dark green color. It's 25% slow release nitrogen. It's 3% iron, which helps you get that dark green, the blue-green color. It's micronutrients required for healthy turf. It's also spiked with bionite, which is biosolids, it's a lot like milorganite, except this is from southern Florida instead of Milwaukee. But that stimulates microbial activity in the soil. And man, the smell of success of this stuff is real. It also gives you spreader settings on there. I am using my spiker today, which is not on there, but I'm going to be going down on a setting of 4 on my spiker spreader. It's going to be applied anytime you want to make it grow. Apparently this stuff's fire. For cool season lawns, you want to apply this in the spring and the fall, not in the summer. It forces too much growth for summer. Warm season lawns, you want to go late spring and summer because that's your growing season. It's 2406, 24% nitrogen. A quarter of that is slow release nitrogen. 6% potash. It's also got some boron, copper, iron, manganese, molybdenum, and zinc. It's on Yard Mastery. You can go yardmastery.com and get it, lawncarenut.com and get it. There's going to be a link in the description. I can get 2 applications on my yard out of this bag. So that's how I'm going to go half the bag today and half the bag in 5 or 6 weeks. And it also says that you're supposed to water it in with a 1/4 inch of irrigation or rainfall. I have not turned on my irrigation yet. Notice I got my jacket on. It's kind of chilly out right now. It's supposed to get down into the 30s tonight, but it's not supposed to freeze. But I still don't want to put on my sprinklers yet. But then it's supposed to rain tomorrow. It's supposed to get between a 1/4 inch and a 1/2 inch of rain tomorrow. So I'm going to let Mother Nature water it in for me.
That looks like kitty litter. Ooh, blue, black, and white. Like the tomahawks. Just get a nice little close-up.
Good smelling stuff for sure.
You want to touch it?
No.
No.
Interesting. So I definitely poured a little more than half the bag in here. So my goal is to have some left and I will just dump it back into my bag when I'm done. So, but I'm looking forward to spreading this. What do you say?
Yeah.
All right. All right, so one thing you got to make sure you do with this fertilizer is blow it off of any hard surfaces it gets on, like sidewalks, driveways, whatever, because of the iron. Once it gets wet, it'll stain it. So make sure you blow it off. Here we go.
Oh, God.
All right, guys, well, it's Sunday, we're back, and as you can see from the yard behind me, it's greened up quite a bit in the last couple days. So let's take a look at it. So I fertilized on Monday, it rained on Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, and here we are Sunday. So it's my birthday today, the 21st, and I don't know if the camera's picking it up well, but it greened up quite a bit. Day 10. Starting to green up fast. So that's about going to wrap it up for this video for today. Flagship, I'm really looking forward to what this stuff's got, man. I'm pretty impressed so far, and it hadn't even been a week yet. Did the job waking this yard up. Good temps this week for growing some grass, so hopefully this thing will explode, and the next weekend's video, it'll really be popping. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, so you can see the results and keep track of what I'm doing this year. There will be links in the description down below for this product. You can find it on yardmastery.com, hit my link in the description down below, or lawncarenut.com. So make sure you check out any of those, get this product. It's around 55 bucks delivered to your door. You can't beat it. All right, well, thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.